Okay, good morning. Our second family is remain. So, family we are today observing the family Meliaceae. Good example of this family, it is the Azadirachta directa indica. In Marathi त्याला आपण कडुनिंब म्हणतो किंवा बकान नेम. So these are these two photographs. Good. One is for the Azadirachta directa indica and second one is the Melia azadirac. Right. So you remember the name of the genus. So this family, as we are knowing, the plants, they are characterized by the alternate, usually pinnate leaves without stipules, and secondly it shows there is having the syncarpous type of the condition is there. Then apparently flowers are the bisexual, but actually they are sometimes showing the unisexual. Flowers born in the panicles, that is they are in the group cyme condition, that is cymose, then spikes without pedicel and in the cluster. The most of the species, these are to be in our area or all over India, they are very evergreen, and some are the deciduous. There is leaf fall is there either in the dry season or in the winter season. So these are general characteristics for this family Meliaceae. The family includes about 53 genera and about the 600 known species, right? So it is to be therefore supposed as the pantropical in distribution. The one genus Tuna, TOONA, it is generally seen maximum in the north temperate region of China and the south and the southwest Australia are there. These are the two good photographs are there. Here you are observing for Azadirachta indica, then Melia azadirac. Generally in front of our homes are there, or generally we are observing the plants generally commonly seen in the along the roadside or the blank spaces. Then this is Sweetaria, it is the one larger tree, and this is the Tuna. You see the magnified flower of the Tuna is there, and generally the Sweetania is there, so it shows the which seeds are there. Then systematic position for this family, it is the division phanerogams, flowering plant, subdivision angiosperms, ovule cell closing ovary, class dicotyledons, reticulate venation and seeds with two cotyledons. Then subclass polypetally, petals free, right, and the series Thalamiflora. So it is after the first family, and there is a first series is there, Thalamiflora, Disciflora. So Anonaceae and both these are from Thalamiflora, right. So stamens hypogynous, order Ranels. First, it is the first order in the Bentham and Hooker's classification. Indefinite stamens and apocarpous condition. This condition already we have seen in the family Anonaceae, right, and the, it is the character for the family Anonaceae. Then for Meliaceae the same character we will see the in this one. Then please see the photographs of this family. So this is the twig of Azadirachta indica. Then secondly, yellows of flower. You see the yellows of flower. So it shows the ovary to nectary at the base of ovary. It is the character of family Meliaceae. Then thalamus, on which floral parts are developing. After the pedicel, it develops thalamus, and so sepals, petals, then androecium and gynoecium. Innermost part is the gynoecium. So you label it properly. Then secondly, here you are observing TS of ovary. It is showing 5 to 6 locules are there, and one ovule in the each locule. Stamens are very characteristic. So syngenesious condition. So here you are observing filaments are not syngenesious, but the stamens and the anthers are the free. anthers bifidus, and the filaments are the fused. So this, and about the floral diagram, you observe there is a bract is there, two bracteoles on both sides, actinomorphic flower condition. By diagram, floral diagram, we should also describe the flower. Then calyx are 5, gamosepalous, they are showing the valvate estivation. Corolla are 5, petals are 5, they showing the twisted. Imbricate, one is outer side, one is inside, and the three are alternating. Right, you see in the diagram, and the stamens are united filaments, so they are shown in the ring, and ovary is the pentalocular. So character for this one, our example is the Azadirachta directa indica. Old new name as it is the Melia Azadirachta. So it is in English commonly called as the Margosa tree, or the commonly we are calling as in English neem tree. It is distributed in the tropical region. Commonly it is in the North India, and it having some medicinal properties are there. Habit, it is a large tree with blackish bark. Then root system is taproot and branched. Stem is erect, aerial, branched, solid, and the woody. Characteristic smell, it is the character. Leaves colline and the ramen, that is on the main stem and the branches. Alternate, petiolate, and compound type. Compound, that is here we have observed. You see the leaves are generally showing this condition. Not a single leaf, but it is a compound leaf is there. Then leaflets are there, and unicostate reticulate panicle. Inflorescence is mainly cymose type, and it shows there is having the panicle condition, axillary panicle. Flowers hypogynous, pyrocyclic, trimerous. Tri means there are the petals are 6 in the 3 plus 3. So this condition, and flower hypogynous means all floral parts develop below the ovary. Already we have seen the LS of the flower. So after LS, this condition shows the either hypogynous or epigynous. Then sepals 3, petals 6 in 2 series, and valvate estivation. Stamens many, spirally arranged with enlarged connective. Right, and the carpels many, spirally arranged on the convex receptacle. So these are some characteristics. In relation to calyx and corolla, sepals polysepalous. So this condition is seen in the flower. Corolla 4 to 5, it is also there. Then gynoecium, carpels generally 2 to 5 or up to the 6. Syncarpous condition. Placentation axial. Style is single, and the stigma capitate, discoid type. Now, other examples we have to give. So Tuna ciliata, commonly it is called as a red cedar. This it is a large tree, usually in commonly flowers having yellowish red dye used, which is used for dyeing of the cotton, and medicinally it is astringent and tonic property. It is the wood is used for furniture. Tea chest boxes are there, and the cigar boxes are there. So it is known as the Indian mahogany. Then Melia azadirachta, Bakan neem. So we are knowing in English it is called as a pride of India. So along the roadside, then hedge as a hedge plant or medicinally important. It having the good killing property of worms are there in the stomach, or anthelmintic. It is called as anthelmintic, and the seeds in the rheumatism. Rheumatism, that is the Sandivat. There is a pain in the joints of hand and the legs are there, so it is called as a rheumatism. Fourth example is the Swietania. So first one is the Azadirachta indica, then second Tuna, third one Melia azadirachta, then Swietania mahogany, fourth one. It is called as in West Indian mahogany. So it is a tree species used for timber, and may be cultivated in as for timber in the part of Tamil Nadu state. along the home or along the field side or wastelands. And one good example, Soymeda febrifuge. It is called as the Indian redwood, and it is found in the western part of the Rajasthan and the Bihar. So these are the some good example for this family. Then Ajax directa indica, our, so this is a good photograph of the with fruits, and commonly it is evergreen. We are already knowing the leaves generally they are showing the dark greenish color, so you remember this one. Then some productions are there, the decoction of the leaves, it is used to relieve the fever and as a insecticidal. Margouy paste, it is the one good famous paste for the prepared from this one. Then Disoxylum mulbericum, it is white cedar. You see how is the tree. So it is an endemic plant to the this western part, and it is evergreen and same in the semi-evergreen forest area. Then this is the Swietania macrophylla mahogany. You see how is the tree. So it is commonly found in the America and introduced to India after the 1872. So it is cultivated here. It is having a good avenue. Due to evergreen, there is no leaf fall. Deciduous trees having the leaf fall each year. Evergreen trees generally not showing the leaf fall each year. And economically importance, so Disophyllum mulbericum Swietania, and they are excellent for the timber, the wood for the buildings, bridges, furniture. It is commonly used, and it is a good excellent biopesticide. So neem is supposed as a good biopesticide. I think we are knowing the Dashapatri. So in Dashapatri it is the main part of the neem is there. Then Chucrasia tabularis, it is the one good species. You see the how is the tree, and generally its part. So here it is fast growing handsome tree, semi evergreen in the forest of the India. The gum is generally used in the Indian gums because it is having also the medicinal properties. Other all these examples, as you go to here with chromosome number as a directa indica neem, diploid number 28, Melia dubia, great neem or Malabar neem is there. So it is 2N28. Apanamixis polystachya, so it is having 36 and 76. Other species is the Ruitura. Then Dixylum albericum, white cedar, Cedrella tuna, 2N56. Chloroxylon Swietania, it is satin wood, commonly called it, and this one it is the Swietania mahogany. So all the you remember any 2-3 example from this one with proper genera and the species name. Okay, so thanks to all. We'll see the next family in our 20th lecture, family Apocynaceae. Okay, have a nice day.